Yeah, be chairman and then so you essential time with Bishop Nana Eboa. Questions be why a course where ya dream. Na Spiritus TV where the Debiano. You better tremo. Kakra nyame de adom ye ene de anim no. You bet yes you the pass on na de atremo. Eya na ye be say ho question say ewiase ankasa e wo ho yi. Enti samai wo ho. Eden ni samai. Nipa wu a na no ana. There's concepts bebre ho. Gide ho say yes, obi wo ho a owu a na no nipa wu a no wu. Ebi nso say there be nipa wu a bibi wa kire. Nipa wu a no wu bibi ebeso asan rise anase afri nipa ne mu na eno no so atoa so. Eno na eye question akwa debate there was so many places and so many things. Me church mu kakra. Ebe wo hu say sama wo ho anase sama ni ho. First of all, you were great books. Say me a Christian Bible no minimum no. E me say bibisa ho. Other religious books and so extra. But books ni na kire now physically no what experience na wo nya. E den e ma wo hu say and I said then wo hu ntie ma wo hu say bibisa ho. These are questions eya na nkofo bisa wo ho. Now first of all me be start discuss bibi. According to what kakra menim no nipa yes wo body de wo ye ne obi bia no wadwen ene ye adwuma nti based on wadwen no wo conscience no consciousness no eno na ye adwuma eno na me no kasa ne bibia. But for some other reason no nyankopon ebo a bit different enti no bibi wo mu a true say wo cross and say wo pass here and also it me rise na no adenti ama saade no I am very known make me agina ka say no kra say me de mani hu specifically baby a friend no astral projection I don't know say nipa no process and so make one of these days on TV so say nipa no edana say o project here body ne da ho but obetumi free body no akobe say ahakra ni another country akọ asamba ema obeba no behu body ni da asan ko ra body na physically was sorry or the obe remember behu bia no so yes 100%. Enti no eno kire say bibi wo ho more than the body. Say bibi to me free mu sa etumi ye this steps there next the bibi wo ho more than the body. Eno no simply near friend no out of body experience. And I say astral projection. Enti no eno no ema ehu say no bibi wo hampa. Now within this astral projection say nipa do move from the body all kono bibi wo your friend is silver cord ebe send so from that ono na all kono to body na da ono into free ha call ehimfa sa silver cord na ebe wo sa silver cord na connecting the back to the body. And usually the moment sa silver cord move channel spiritual nature say there's a separation about nature so owo na aba no enti ano kire say ampa bibi wo ho no ma samai fine nipa no wa ne physical consciousness ne there e destroy enti so obi wo ho na say onya o collapse simple and as bibi si na say for about 5 to 10 minutes oxygen and go through the brain otumi ye bibi a friend vegetable na wa here sebi to say yare for anadwen no entumi en function properly bi enti no eno ye different but the spiritual side there there's a living thing be hobby by no so than your friend or samai. Now me person may know discuss about different types of death because obi o question obi bisa the other day say ntino say nipa wo dey na esi. First of all so wo wiase we ma obi be a friend crossover no nipa wiase any sunsu wiase enhia parallel ntino we ko say we nso ba say enhia da ntino eno ne friend parallel world enti the esi say obi wo ha or cross from one side to the other I say bridge be obi twa bridge na ko the other side enti so nya cross pa na so occur into spiritual world but sometimes obi wo who are on cross. The reason why on cross no you some reasons in on cross. One ebia na the time I was obe we as na bia na 40 years now within 35 years no na BBS accident BS na based on that no when to me and this years now also be no obesa remaining for another 5 years to make it 40 years na ansa no watumi across so enti at that moment no ne spirit no nam ho eno na ya na basically your friend tough wo and I said bibisa but you another one bi so ha obi ashada ekunu ho eno no another very serious thing obi ho feel say the problems na doors no kunu ho eno ano no I mean control eno kra na afre na problem be starting because so wunya kun ho wuyi wan wutwa wan kasa won kwan so a wontumi cross so never any amount 40 years nyame ma 40 years now be 39 years now wan kasa wo take your life for the rest of eternity wontumi cross so enti eno no your friend living in limbo just say we spirit be nam akwai say obi nipa otiase da bi otiase ye ne ho ntone da sanso na say bi wonso no wawu no na da bi a wote wo ba bi a eni say wo spirit na wo ho nto da eno de ebekosa akopem say nyankopo ankasa emre ne be so eno so de I can assure you say one of the worst things about me enti mamen kan to so why you doing say opese we bibi sa de na sandwin bi because eno de wonya yen so a ohona waku hu akono wontumi nse nku hu fi wonko ba bi foforo enti wo ya na chese no ano enti a very important step say never think say obeye sa de no say wo problem there are so many ways spiritual Stephen or a friend and as a friend and I can assure you say e kwan bi e be fa so bi e be boa spiritually physically no ye be boa ma sa problem no ya solve ufi hono mu a question na opese ubisa ho say na de o kan nyina no some of them papa and then actually because we Bible Samuel 28 verse 11 to 15 edru baby na problem be see na Saul na ohia information na prophet no so fresh Samuel no wawu na oni hobiem enti no Saul o decide say ne so hwehwe obi na ofre Saul Samuel mano that times no abandon say wuni wa wuni ma be yes anu we bia nso obeku enti o ye anokonya obi a otumi yes ade no Sani pan frɛ Emma Saul esaman ebae but you see Saul sama bae no maame na ofrɛ no onetumi hu no nipa otumi hu saa de ne from scryers scryer obi a otumi ehwɛ nsuoma na ohwɛ ade no wa hu sunsum sɛ eba wo do obi normal person wo do wani hwɛ wo hu enti that scryer no otumi hu sɛ nipa no we anyway Emma sama ne bae no obisa asɛm bi or say adenti ena mo ha me usually say someone cross on pe how or person rest baby or no or person ye ne ono adenti wo kotwe ne de ne ba na wo ha no enti no Samuel sunsumas there a kan no enti the person wo try say so the Bible ni di na wo so hu say yes Samuel ho enti no eno nkyere say Samuel the bonnet but enya there wo say wo kofre Samuel because a part of a different line that is parallel line from Odia. Usually, say obinya accident, na se BBC most of the time no, some baby and nipa no wuye no, some no eta room ho. The last place of death no, eta nanti ho. No there one of those things. Usually, unkrofo omo betu aka so omo site some and omo site say BBC and also be obi usually ube hu say nipa but so be no pina do safema ebetumi go through obi a wo hu of course wo hu saman bi obeso no mo physical bia no enye saman na ebia bibi foforo because saman ankasa no any physical body ebe is a hologram to do safema obehu but yes obetumi hu other entities bia sunsu bi ebetumi akɔhye obi mu na odi nipa no nam anas na wa feel say ebia saman enti sanete na anase obi wo no wawu na years na anase bi sa no be say if obi saman na kosi obi so eno ye tricky stuff because the reason why tricky stuff ne say most of the time no ebia na sunsum bi na ba be hye nipa nim yes usually no saman ankasa asaman ne say one twena o ma me hye obi mu and sunsum bi ho na say bia o ya aggrieved anase bibi cost na say na ni nye ho anase whatever obetumi aba be hye obi mu na nipa na years na say you know ama why bibi at say you know your friend is samankom na nipa no kasa a big old crapa voice no of nipa na what depart no sa voice no be free nipa no aba I no so ho but most of the time sa de no ya na enye sama na nkasa nipa na nkasa wo but ebetu ya sunsum bi a onye happy about the akoso and I say ebetu cry bosum bi ebetu ya bibia baba be hye obi mu na akasa through that sama na nkasa they are most of the time no enye common say ebetumi aba be show bi musa because the moment obe cross no or shift wo body na another spirit wom enti ye ka say eba be take over that spirit there will be a friction but other spirit no is different from wo spirit as a individual spirit na wo mu no and sometimes it me patch space e create and I say it me e kasa through that person and no your friend invocation and you know the person me trying to say question also be say somehow person who say somehow yes somehow furthermore no you be discuss more about it na and also the question person will be say no but you between send the question to Spiritus TV number here down very soon may live shows into us live we between free no will be questions nyame pa ebe you ano you be debates and also between a friend why a part of the conversation Spiritus TV abase eba be church na church and yes me nkwa na me be kasa also the why ideas beba e me discuss na I believe say nyankopo be fire so ama nyina ati nyoma bi ase nyame nka mo ho na nyame no mo ntra